Let me tell you a few ways that I've used artificial intelligence in just the last few days. As I went to send an email, AI stopped me and asked if I didn't want to actually attach the item that I said I was attaching. I have created some incredibly beautiful and gorgeous images for a project that I was working on using AI. I used another AI platform to write the prompt for said images. I uploaded a PDF document and asked it to extract quotable statements from it so that I could use them for promotion. I uploaded another PDF document and asked it to check the tone and identify any places of bias or condescension, and it did that very well. I have also asked AI to suggest the types of images that I could use for one of those articles so that I could go and find the most appropriate things for my presentation. I've also uploaded an hour-long video clip of myself speaking and extracted about 10 to 15 different short clips that I could use again for promotion. I have also uploaded a data set of my LinkedIn connections to AI, asked it to identify the best leads for me, and then to generate person-specific messaging for those people, and had an entire sales process set out for that. I have also, because I am a content creator and a course designer, I have asked AI to help me not only with outlining the actual course structure that I was working on, but also to clearly identify the business problem that I was addressing and the outcomes that delegates would benefit from, and design the entire course around that, and then got to create my own content within that space. All of this and more is what we will be discussing in the upcoming Artificial Intelligence AI Advantage workshop that I'll be running with Richard Mulvey. Richard is my husband. We have a lot of fun trying to see who can outsmart the other with the latest AI tool that we can use to generate something absolutely incredible. I know there are concerns about AI. We're not naive about any of those. But what we do know is that if we don't have a good handle on artificial intelligence, we're going to be left behind. So we invite you to spend some time with us to really explore what is possible to achieve in your business using AI. Everything, obviously, from sales and marketing and website design, as well as actual market analysis, projections and forecasts for the future for your own business. So come and join us at the AI Advantage workshop.